In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you my top 10 live stream app. And these particular live stream app are live stream apps that I personally use, that I've made money from, you understand? So if I'm sharing any of this live stream app with you, it simply means you can also make money from these live stream apps. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. Now, as someone that is a sit-at-home mom, a sit-at-home dad, a student, or anything, or someone that is also a YouTuber, I do not advise you to just lay your stream of income to just one particular place. Another means that you can actually generate revenue is also from live streaming on other apps and websites. And that is why today I am here to expose my top 10 live stream apps that I've personally used, I've personally tested, and I've personally made money from this particular live stream app and then withdraw directly to my bank account. And I am going to be starting with my top 10 on the list to my first on the list, so that at the end of the day, you guys are going to thank me later. With that being said, let's dive right into this video.
The 10th on my list I'm going to be talking about is Bolo Up app. I'll be writing the name on the screen so that you guys can also see. Bolo Up app is an app where you can actually live stream and make money. Yes, I've live streamed from this app. I've made money from this app, and I've also withdrawn to my local bank account. And the beautiful part I love about this app is it is very easy for you to navigate. So honestly, most of the app I will talk about, they are very easy and simple. So all you need to do in all of this app I'm also going to talk about is to go to your app store or your Play Store, and then you type the names of the app I'm going to be talking about, because all of those apps are going to be there. Right now, you can see if I type Bolo Up app, exactly it is going to search out, and this is exactly the particular one I want you to install. This one with this particular logo that you're seeing here, and start making money. Number 9 on my list is the Lonely Pop app. The beautiful part about the Lonely Pop app is if you're conversant with Poppo live stream app, it becomes very easy. In fact, the most beautiful part about all of these apps I'm sharing with you guys is they work hand in hand, and it's very, very easy to navigate. Lonely Pop app is the newest app in town that people are making money, and trust me, you can make money from it. Number 8 on my list is Migo Live app. This app is an app you can live stream and also perform little tasks like sitting in the crown seat, like they call it party, and you are going to live stream and stay, spend some few hours, and then get your coins and make your money. So check this out, and trust me, you can make money there. The 7th I have on my list is Tango Livestream app, where you can actually live stream and also make money. The beautiful part about this app is you can make real-time friends, have real-time conversation with friends. This app is also an app where you can actually find your spouse. So for those ones that are actually single and you want to mingle, this app is also for you. But real time, you can make money through live streaming on this particular app. I have personally made money, not only make money, withdraw that money from Tango live stream app. So try Tango and thank me later. Sixth I have on my list is Bigo live stream app. For Bigo live stream app, you can make money. Have I personally made money from this app? Yes, and I personally withdraw with my PayPal to my local bank account. Now, the little twist about Bigo Live is it is for matured mindset, because the Bigo Life I know before is no longer the Bigo Life I know now. So before you go into Bigo Life, you try your possible best to carry out all your research and see if this app actually fits your category. But for sure, will you be able to make money? Yes. Have I once made money from Bigo Life? Yes, I have made money once from Bigo Life. Am I still on Bigo Life? No, I am not on Bigo Life, because the Bigo Life I knew when I started is no longer the Bigo life I knew now. Take your research and make money. 5 on my list is Nikki Livestream app, and you guys know that there is no way I'm not going to be talking about Nikki Livestream app. If you're conversant with Poppo Livestream app that I usually talk about here, it simply means you can be able to navigate Nikki Livestream app, where you live stream, play games, gamble, do one or two things, sit in a crown seat, perform your tax, cash out your money to your local bank account. And the beautiful part about Nikki Livestream app is it is very simple to navigate and also very simple to understand and make money. Fourth on my list is one of the favorite Livestream app, and you guys always hear me talk about Poppo Livestream app. The beautiful part about Poppo Livestream app is you can make sweet money from live streaming. And apart from live streaming, you can perform other reward and also get rewarded for that. You can also get coins from treasure box and also make money. You can also invite friends and family and also make $14 per each invite that you have. See, the beautiful part about Poppo Livestream app I love as well is they are very strict when it comes to a lot of activities of exposing your body or doing what you are not supposed to do as someone that is live streaming. And that's one beautiful part that made this particular Poppo Livestream app stand out for me. And that is why it is my number 4 on the list. With Poppo Livestream app, you can be able to make money, withdraw to your local bank account, or even if you want to withdraw to your USDT or BTC or any of your cryptocurrency platform, you can. So Popo Livestream app is one app I recommend for you to try and thank me later. The third on my list I'm going to be talking about is Facebook Live. A lot of you guys have Facebook, but you don't know that you can make money from Facebook live stream. Yes, you can make money from Facebook live stream. Even if you don't get people to support you directly and send you stars on Facebook live stream, you can advertise your business on the live stream and also be able to cash out a lot of customers. So try Facebook live stream and thank me later. You can live stream and make money from Facebook Live. My second favorite is the YouTube Livestream app, and you guys know that there is no way I'm going to be talking about Livestream app without putting YouTube Livestream app. With YouTube Livestream app, you can make money on YouTube Livestream app, where you have your fans and your family, your friends coming to YouTube Livestream apps to personally support you. YouTube Livestream app is a place where you build your community, you build bonds with your subscribers, with your followers, as anything you can call it, and they come personally to like support you, and by supporting you you get to make money. One and my best, which is my number one best I can never stop talking about, is TikTok. You guys know that I've said it countless times on this YouTube street that TikTok is one of the apps that gave me my first 1 million naira as a young Nigerian girl growing up. So that is why TikTok is very special and TikTok is very dear to my heart. Up till date, people still make money from live streaming only on TikTok. Basically, live stream on TikTok. All you need to do for you to start live streaming on TikTok, you don't even need so much. Go to your TikTok app and then make sure you get your account to 1,000 followers. Once you get your account to 1,000 followers, you can start live streaming and make money where people come to personally support you. You can also play box game. You can play you can play a co-host match, just like these two persons you're seeing here. They are actually co-hosting, where people come to also support them from co-hosting on TikTok. You understand? Till date, I'm still on TikTok. I will be on TikTok. I will not leave TikTok because I so much love TikTok. So if you have your TikTok account and you're sleeping on your TikTok account, this is a call to action that you get up, get your accounts to 1,000 followers. You can follow suggested followers to get your account to 1,000 followers, and you can do a lot of activities there. You can see this particular one is playing games here, and as he's playing game, he is live streaming it on TikTok and people will come and support him. One sweetest part I love about TikTok is their policy. Their policy is strong fame and it is beautiful. You can see your favorite actor. This is Labista, also live streaming on TikTok. So if your favorite Nollywood actors and actresses are also live streaming here, who are you not to start making money here? The only mistake you are going to do is not to start. But the moment you want to start and make money, definitely you can make money. You can see this I love you they actually sent this lady. This is what will also bring coins to her account. And one sweetest part with TikTok is you can withdraw to anywhere that you are. Like for me, I withdraw to my Pioneer account and then to my local bank account. I make my money and I go to rest. So it is very important. If you don't want to try anyone, try TikTok, which is my favorite.
Guys, I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're still having struggles with your YouTube channel, we are always here to help you. All you need to do is to check out these flyers that are displaying on the screen, and with this mail attached to it, fetch3195@gmail.com. Send us a mail and tell us to take your channel to the next level. This is where me and you personally go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, so that at the end of the day, we are going to achieve successful results on YouTube. And yes, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And let me know which of the app that you're currently live streaming and which is your favorite currently. For me, I've said it, and you guys have seen it in this video. Anyway, with no further ado, I do add like always say in my videos. I'm going to be saying, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.